Yo, what's up? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to um, retrieve 100% bonuses, 50% bonus request if there is an error of your deposits or you didn't receive your deposit bonuses. So I'm going to teach you how to retrieve it and about withdrawal. And if you have accounts that are disabled, so I'm going to teach you how to retrieve those accounts. Okay, so number one, we need to search for the website of puprimelivecom. Okay, so next is you need to click the submit ticket. Okay, next is you provide your email, client name. This is where your name belong. Client account number, your account number. So in the IB email, so the email used in this section is the email of your upline or the one that introduces you the broker. Okay, so in the IB name, so the person that introduces the broker to you. Okay. Next is in the issue request. Okay, so let's say for example, you didn't receive your 100% deposit bonus. Okay, you could click the 100% bonus in this section right here. Click it and then submit. Okay, let's say for example, you didn't receive your 50% bonus deposit. So click 50% deposit, a bonus request, and click submit. Next is if you didn't receive your deposit account, deposit funds. So click deposit and then submit. Okay. So in this area, deposits, there is an error. It's because maybe you are not fully verified. You didn't submit your billing address or your KYC, or you didn't submit your IDs. All right, so that is the main reason you didn't receive your deposits. Next is withdrawal. Click withdrawal. If you have issues about your withdrawals, click withdrawals and submit. Next is trading disabled. So these are the accounts that are disabled is because you are not fully verified but you deposit on your accounts. You deposited accounts on unverified accounts. That is why your MT5 accounts are now disabled. All right. So you could click this issue right here and then click submit. All right. So for more videos, you can subscribe our channel, hit the like button, and we will produce you some valuable contents in the channel. Okay. Thank you very much.